in the setup section, in the business cards section here, a few weeks ago, we talked about, adding all the information and stuff about virtual business cards. And I'll show this off just a little bit. But one of the things that I added was the ability to add additional social links. So, and let me just let me show you what this thing actually looks like. So if I come in here, say view business card, I'm going to make this a little smaller so I can see both at the same time. So here's the thought. You've got your phone, and you're at a meeting or something like that. You go to meet with somebody, and they say, "Hey, can I get your information?" Well, you pull up your phone and you pull up QR code. Okay, this QR code that's on the screen. They scan it, and then what it does is it brings you to this virtual business card. In here, we have the name, phone numbers, social media stuff. What they can do is from their phone, they can click on the add to address book, and then it will take the data that's in here, and it will put it into their phone as an address card, like a contact. Okay, in the fields. Phone numbers and all that kind of stuff. What we did not have in there, and Jose had brought some examples, is we did not have these additional social media ones, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, whatever. So what I've done is I've added a add social link option. So you click on the add social link, and then you can choose which social that you want to use. So there's all kinds of different options on there. There is additional phone numbers and emails if you want, put that stuff on there. But Snapchat, Reddit, all the different common ones are on there. There's a few that are less common, but they are available for you to use and set up there. Once you select a type of some sort, then you can put in the link title, and the link title can be the same as the link. You could put on there, my Skype address, whatever, if you'd spell it right, and then put in the URL that goes along with it. It would show this where the URL is on these, but it would actually, if you click on these, it takes you to that place. So, if I click on Workflow Secrets, it will open up a tab and take you to Workflow Secrets or whatever you're clicking on. If you click on the phone number, it will dial. If you click on the email, it will bring up an email envelope. So you can do things. Once you've got these set up the way you want, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one because I don't have a Skype anymore. Then you come down, you click on the save settings, and then whatever's been saved will be there. One of the things that you can do is change the card color. And another change that we did was we allow you guys to, before it was just a matter of kind of dragging, what colors do you want, choosing the color from the chart. We've added the hex option. There's lots of ways that you can get colors and stuff in there, RGB or whatever, but you can convert it to a hex number, put that in there, and it will give you the RGB from that, and then be able to use it. Once you've selected that, and then you click on save, let me save that, and then I refresh that, so then the business card changes to whatever color I've selected. So just kind of gives you the ability to do some customization. We're still going to do a lot more to this. Just haven't been able to get to it, including having a button on here if you want it to collect their information, so that it could send information back to your database of them. That is coming very soon.
That's nice.
Yeah. So this is just a quick and easy way to kind of deal with that and get that how you want.